Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a stunning 1969 Pontiac Firebird convertible. This is a Trans Am clone, guys. Don't call here and ask if it's real. They only built about 8 of these cars. I think the last one to sell was about $2.5 million. So no, it's not real. It's a clone. It's a very nicely done car. About a 10-year-old restoration. But it doesn't have very many miles on it. I found a little mileage log, and it looks like it's got about 3,000 miles on it. Cameo white with, of course, the blue Trans Am striping. It's got the blue vinyl interior with a blue vinyl top, and very nicely done. Virginia car, chrome and stainless is nice. Of course, it's got the ram air hood. It's got all the original T3 headlights, which I think are pretty cool. Slick car. Oop, missed a little dust there. Bucket seats console, 4-speed, 400 car. Rear spoiler. Like I say, they did a nice job when they built this car. And you don't see stuff like this. See a lot of Camaros, don't see a lot of Firebirds, guys. Rally 2s with BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Pretty car. Great eyes. Drives out great. Again, driving down the road, you look like you're driving a $2 million car. $400. They've even got the that's what the ram air air cleaner looked like. Stock intake, 4-barrel, stock exhaust manifolds. Got the chrome valve covers. Power steering, power front disc brakes. And again, it's got the ram air hood. So to look at it, you think this thing's real. Pretty paint. Door handles are nice. And they did a nice job when they restored this car. This car's pretty. And it's so unique. They're so different. Tilt column. It's got all the wood grain dash. Again, it's power top. We'll put that up here in a second. Showing, yeah, 25,479. Like I say, there is a mileage log in the glove box with the original owner's manuals. It's got some cool aftermarket gauges up there, stock radio. Looks like it's got about 3,000 miles. Car was restored around 2010. It's got chambered Flowmaster dual exhaust. Stock 10-bolt rear end with a rear sway bar. It's got the factory convertible weights. Of course, there's a boot for it. It's got the jack with the space saver spare. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Clean car underneath. Like I say, they added a sway bar to it, so car handles nice. New carpet, new sill plates. Seats are really nice. Factory Hurst shifter, stock ball. Great sound. Of course, that 4-speed's fun to bang the gears. These cars just look good. It works. Parking brake, Jordy? Yep. Parking brake does work, guys. Oh, your top. Stop up, Jordy. It's got the plastic rear window. Again, top was replaced. It's all new. That's good. Check the radio. No radio. No radio. Blower motor. Show the consoles hot. No, on the blower motor. Oh yeah, I can see it blowing. Did it just kick out? Yeah. Oh, need to adjust that. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.